Pradesh police order to display names of eatery owners along the Kanwar Yatra route in Muzaffarnagar has been strongly criticized by Congress's Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who stated that it is against the constitution. Priyanka Gandhi has said that creating division in society on the basis of caste and religion is a crime against the constitution, and has emphasized that the order should be withdrawn immediately and action should be taken against the officials. Remember, viewers, a row over the Kanwar Yatra is persisting. The Uttar Pradesh government has faced a considerable flack ever since the government has mandated that all eateries along the Kanwar Yatra route must display the names of their owners. Earlier, of course, Akhilesh Yadav has also criticized this, describing the order as a social crime, and urged the court to intervene. BSP chief Mayawati also hit out at the Yogi Adityanath government and stated that the move is unconstitutional. The Kanwar Yatra, of course, we know it's an annual pilgrimage that holds immense significance for millions of devotees of Lord Shiv. My colleague Abhishek Singh with us on the broadcast. Abhishek, the opposition slinging pot shots at the Yogi Adityanath led government in Uttar Pradesh continues. This time it is Priyanka Gandhi Vadra hitting out at the UPCM.
Yeah, the police ordered to display the names of eatery owners along the Kanwar Yatra route in Muzaffarnagar, and this has become a big political chaos for the opposition. They are again and again criticizing this step. Congress Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who said it was against the constitution, although earlier also Akhilesh Yadav has tweeted that it is a crime, a social crime. But the government and the administration are clearly stating that after taking care of the religious sentiments of the Kanwar Yatra, it is important that they should know very well that or at which place they are eating, they are taking their water and the meal, what is the name of the owner. Although it can create a chaos and political chaos in Uttar Pradesh, but the law and order situation can also be distorted in these kind of situations, because people are very much sentiment. People's a big time event, and a number of people's sentiments are affected with the Kanwars. And while the route of the Kanwar, while the march of the Kanwar Yatra, these are the places in Muzaffarnagar where people take their meals, and once they get to know that the person belongs to a particular religion, these things can make chaos and a politic and a law and order situation. So local administration has given these reasons for the order. Yeah.
All right, with that, I'd like to thank you for joining us on the broadcast. Several other reactions are coming in as well. Brinda Karat of the CPIM has also reacted. Let's listen into her statement.
प्रदेश सरकार हमारे संविधान की धज्जियां उड़ा रहे हैं इस प्रकार के आदेश से, चाहे वो मुख्यमंत्री हो या उनके अलग थलग जितने भी मंत्री हैं, वो जानबूझकर उसकी एक विभाजन और एक भय मुसलमानों के बारे में पैदा करने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। एक पूरे कम्युनिटी को इस तरह आइडेंटिफाई करके उनको ह्यूमिलिएट करना, उनकी जीविका पर हमला करना, उनके अस्तित्व पर हमला करना। इतने सालों से कंवरियों का रूट पर कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहा, तो ये एक समस्या पहले पैदा करते हैं और उस समस्या को पैदा करके वो पूरे समाज को विभाजित करने का प्रयास करते हैं। ये बहुत ही निंदनीय है।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.